And we're back to learn CapCut in here, day 12. Let me show you how you can make TikTok videos. We'll go back to the ratio that I've introduced in one of the earlier videos, but I haven't yet talked about specifically this TikTok format. When you record your videos directly, vertically, everything should be fine, especially when you've recorded it with a smartphone. And that's because the original ratio right here, this is actually the TikTok ratio of 9:16. So if I switch this here, nothing's going to change in my preview window because it's the same format. We switch back to original, I delete this clip, and here we have a horizontal clip. If I add this now to the timeline, it will set our ratio not to 9:16, but to 16:9. Because that is now the original. So if you rotate your smartphone 90 degrees, you record it horizontally, you will have 16:9 instead of 9:16. And how can you turn this into a TikTok video? Well, simply change the ratio here to 9:16. Problem is we now have these black bars. And if I add the vertical shot again, you can see these black bars are created because our video doesn't fit the format anymore. Let me delete it again, we go back to the horizontal shot. And to fix this now, we have to select that in the timeline, then go to Video Basic and you will find the scale. And usually it's 316%. That allows you to fill the entire canvas here so the black bars will disappear. Let me go down slide here and you can see at top and bottom we'll get the black bars again. Just make sure that it's fully covered. Once again, 316%. This should usually be the value that you need. And if we play it now, we've turned this horizontal 16:9 shot into a TikTok video. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.